Hi boys and girls, welcome back to math class. Our goal is to solve multi-step math problems. We're going to do a quick review of the UPS check strategies. Remember, your first job is to understand the problem, bracket your question, what are you looking to solve, circle important numbers and underline your labels, and then decide on a plan. Choose a strategy and then choose an operation. Remember, if it's a multi-step problem, you probably are going to have multi-steps you need to do. Then you're going to solve your problem and show all of your work. And then finally, you're going to check your work, make sure your answer is reasonable. So your job today is to get the exit quiz out of your red math folder and a pencil. This would be a good time to pause the video if you need to grab your materials. Today we are going to take a quiz, and I want you to remember to use your UPS check strategies, bracket, circle, and underline as you read the problem for the first time. Plan your operations. What are you going to do to solve it? And that is where you write number 1 and number 2. What are your plan? And then solve the problem, show all of your work, and then don't forget at the end to circle your answers and label your answer, and then check it over, make sure it's reasonable. Everybody has to do problems 1 and 2. Then there is a bonus question you are welcome to try. This would be in order to maybe get to that 4 category where you're trying something a little bit tougher and a little more difficult. But everyone should do problem 1 and 2. Good luck and do your best.